Almonds are tiny, but their benefits are huge if you know how to eat them. Packed with healthy fats, protein, and minerals, they can improve your heart, brain, and skin. But eating them the wrong way can reduce these benefits. Welcome back to the Mindhunters. Today, we are going to explore how almonds can boost your health, the right way to eat them, and who should avoid them. So, let's see how to get it right. Almonds aren't just a crunchy snack, they're a nutritional powerhouse. They are rich in monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, which help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and reduce heart disease risk. Riboflavin and L-carnitine in almonds support brain function and may help prevent cognitive decline. Vitamin E and antioxidants in almonds protect the skin from oxidative stress and keep hair strong and healthy. Almonds' fiber, protein, and healthy fats help stabilize blood sugar, especially useful for type 2 diabetes management. Now, here's where most people go wrong. How you eat almonds matters as much as eating them itself. The best way to eat almonds is to soak them overnight and peel off the skin before eating. Because the brown skin contains tannins, natural compounds that can interfere with nutrient absorption. Soaking softens the nuts, reduces tannin levels, and makes nutrients easier for your body to absorb. And if you prefer roasted almonds, choose unsalted and dry roasted versions, not the ones fried in oil or coated with sugar. And avoid eating them with heavy meals. They're best absorbed when eaten alone or with fruits in the morning. The ideal daily intake is 10-15 almonds, a small handful. This gives you enough nutrients without excess calories. Almonds are safe for most people, but here are some exceptions. People with nut allergies should avoid them completely. And if you have digestive sensitivity, start with a few soaked almonds to prevent bloating or discomfort. People with kidney issues should avoid almonds, as they are high in oxalates. Consult a doctor if prone to kidney stones. Remember, almonds are calorie-dense. Overeating can lead to weight gain. Almonds are small but mighty. Eat the right amount, in the right way, and they can transform your overall health. So, don't make the mistake of eating them incorrectly. Your body deserves the real benefits. If you learned something new today, like this video, subscribe, and share it with friends who need to get their almond game right. Thanks for watching. We wish you good health.